Today, we'll learn how to add a from and to date filter in an Odoo dashboard, making it easier to customize reports and track performance over specific periods. For expert Odoo accounting setup and support, contact us at MT Bachani CPA. From the Odoo search bar, type /dash and select Dashboards. This brings up the list of available dashboards. Next, choose the dashboard you want to customize. For this example, let's open the Sales dashboard. You can see various dashboards listed, such as Sales, CRM, and Finance, ready for selection. Once you've selected your dashboard, click Edit next to the specific dashboard element you want to update. This interface shows a list of sales-related spreadsheets, each with an edit link available, and is published toggles enabled. Once inside the dashboard element, click Filters at the top right to open the Filter panel. In the Filter properties, locate the period setting. Change the time range from relative period to from/to. This allows you to pick exact start and end dates instead of just last 90 days or months, giving you more precise control. Apply the new date filter to your reports by assigning it to each data source. Make sure Order Date or your relevant date field is selected. Then click Save. Now your dashboard will display data based on the exact from and to dates you select. This makes analysis much more flexible. And that's how you add a from/to date filter to your Odoo dashboard. This small change gives you greater control over your reporting. For professional Odoo accounting and setup, visit MT Bachani CPA.